Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to Pip Getterz YouTube channel. I am Professor Pip. Today is January 14th, 2023. It is a cold one here in Atlanta. It's colder than a polar bear's whiskers outside. Hopefully you got you some warm clothes. It is definitely corduroy season. Definitely glove and scarf and hat season. So make sure you're dressed warm. Also, make sure you got you some firewood also for the fireplace. What's also dropping other than the temperature is the value of the dollar, which we also know. We're going to talk about that when we come back. We talked about it last week. We're going to look at an opportunity that we took this week against the dollar. So please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, tell a friend, leave a comment, and we will be right back. Thank you for joining us. Welcome back, folks. Welcome back. As of last week, we talked about our dollar getting a little bit weaker and taking opportunities against the dollar. Now, if the dollar was in the front or the base currency, you could short a dollar pair, as we can see in the U.S. Swiss or in the U.S. CAD. We could have taken a short this week, but we were definitely looking at some yen shorts this week as well against the dollar. The yen has strengthened up more than probably any currency out right now. And the dollar has weakened up more than any currency right now. So we were looking at the euro dollar. I was looking to go against the dollar, as we talked about last week, the dollar getting weaker. Now, as you can see, if we look at, let's look at it in a daily, in a higher time frame, or even a weekly. All right. In a weekly chart, you can see that the dollar has beginning its buck whoop. This is the euro. Okay, this is the euro dollar. So this week we had a very bullish week. We came down and looked at one of our bullish candles on Friday. As you can see, this candle here broke some supply. Okay, so on Friday we came down and looked and found a zone in the, I think it was the 1 hour to about 30 minute. Yeah, we got a wick over wick here in the 30 minute. If you go down to about the 15 minute, you'll see a beautiful rally, base rally. So Friday morning, we woke up, we let news play out. Okay, over here at Pip Getterz, we do not trade the news. We let the news play out. We watch and see and wait for an opportunity based on what the news said, but not during news. It's not safe that way. At least that's my preference. So after news came out, dollar bumped up, the euro dollar bumped up, and we hit some supply and came back down. As you can see, this zone broke a high and we broke some supply to the left. We also have an uptrend where the dollar is very weak. So we looked at the euro dollar Friday morning, took a trade very late in the morning around 11:12. Caught it for about 25 pips. Didn't want to hold it over the weekend. Plus it's Friday. Okay, so really just got out at the high here and went on about my business. We did pretty well. We made anywhere from about 500 to $1,000 in this trade. Very good trade. We went with the trend as usual, and we also went with relative strength. If you're a member of our group, you know we do post relative strength on a daily basis. And if you look at it, you'll be able to see that the dollar got very weak. All right, and the yen got super strong. All right, so if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please like, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend. And don't forget to psychologically trade smart, trade the chart. And here from Pip Getterz, as always, love somebody other than yourself. Thank you, folks, for joining us. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed weekend.